Today, I'm going to show you how to clean the detergent drawer on a washing machine. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm going to pull out the detergent drawer to get rid of all of the detergent and suds that are caked on the detergent drawer. And in order to pull it out, you'll have to find the release button. For this one, it's located right there. Press it down and I'm able to pull it out slowly. Inside there's a bunch of gunk, and I'll show you how to clean the gunk from inside where the drawer goes in a minute. Now that I've pulled out the detergent drawer, I'm just going to put it inside of the sink and pour warm water over the entire drawer. If there are parts that can come out, they're meant to come out because that's how you clean them. Pull it out, clean it with the warm water, just like that. Now, there could be a lot of caked up soap, detergent on the drawer, so it may take a while for all of the detergent to come off. It might be helpful to have a large bowl and allow it to soak for a while in order to release the caked up detergent. As you see, what I'm doing right here is I'm taking the detergent over the parts, and you might want to take some sort of brush or rub over parts of the detergent drawer to help accelerate the cleaning process. Go over each individual piece with the warm water, thoroughly making sure all of the soap is coming off. I'm taking a brush right here because there's so much caked up detergent that the brush can actually help accelerate the process, taking off the caked up soap from off of the detergent drawer. Flip the detergent drawer on the other side and take the brush and continue the process of getting the caked up detergent off of the drawer. The longer you let the water run on the detergent drawer, the more that the caked up detergent will loosen and eventually come off. This whole process, you have to be extremely patient because it may take a while if you want all of the detergent rinsed off properly. If not, it'll be a complete waste of time. So at this point, most of the detergent is off. Actually, almost all of it is off. And I'm just going to drain it and then let it sit and dry. Meanwhile, I'll take a wet cloth and go where the detergent drawer goes into and wipe it down, making sure all the cake up detergent comes off of this part because I can't put the entire washing machine inside of the sink. After I've let the parts of the detergent drawer dry, I'll put the parts back where they were originally and take it and press the release button while I line it back up into the slot where it's supposed to go. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand, but I'm a talented person, so bear with me. Press the release button and it slides right back in. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you clean a detergent drawer. Washing machines have different ways on removing the detergent drawer, so it's important to read the user manual on your particular washing machine in order to remove and replace the detergent drawer. as well as clean the detergent drawer, so it's important to read your user manual. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching, and watching. Have a good night.